Look at the time. Look at the time. This woman is not back from where she went to. I hope all is well. Okay.
My husband.
You finally decided to come back home.
My husband, I went to church to pray for us now.
You went to church?
Yes.
You forgetting that you left your husband at home here hungry.
My husband, you know the problem that we have. I went to pray for our problem.
You went to pray for our problems?
Yes.
I just hope that nothing fishy is going on between you and your pastor. Because you know that lately I've been hearing a whole lot of news about pastor and their members. So I just hope that nothing is going on.
Are you accusing me of cheating?
I am not accusing you of anything. It's just that lately I've been seeing a lot. I've been seeing a whole lot of.
My husband, you're not supposed to drink this. This is the water the pastor prayed over, the fruit of the womb.
Not be juju. What's this?
The pregnancy now.
The pregnancy?
That is what the pastor prayed for. That's what he prayed for.
Hey, you better go call your pastor to come and remove this thing now.
My husband, there's nothing the pastor can do about it. It's what I'm looking for. You have to carry it for us.
There's nothing I can do.
If you carry it for us, that's not what we want.
I have to be pregnant for 9 months.
It might be 7 months.
God. Sorry, oh. May God not allow them.
No, na me fuck up.